तो आज हम बात करेंगे बिफोर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, ऑपोजिट, अक्रॉस फ्रॉम। डिफरेंस बताऊंगा आज इनके बारे में। द वर्ड्स ऑपोजिट एंड अक्रॉस फ्रॉम मीन that something is located at the other side of something. For example, the bank is opposite the post office is equal to the bank is across from the post office. The bank is on the other side of the street from the post office. And Henry sat opposite me at the table is equal to Henry sat across from me at the table. ठीक है? The expression in front of simply means that one thing is closer to a point of reference. The front of an area or the point of view of the person looking. For example, I stood in front of the bank. He sat in front of me in the classroom. You know, the word before can be used for location, position, but it is somewhat rare and more formal. Instead, before is typically used for time or for position in a sequence. We need to pack our bags before leaving for the airport. Is equal to packing bags must happen first. Leaving for airport must happen second. The letter I comes before the letter E in the word friend. ठीक है? Is equal to position in a sequence. तो ये था जी आज difference between before, in front of, opposite and across from. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको समझ में आया होगा और इसी तरह से नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिए ताकि आपको और भी नई इस तरह की वीडियोस मिलते रहें।